For making the chickpea chaat or bean salad, you can use beans of your choice. I'm using chickpeas. You can also use the mixed bean tins that you get, or else you can simply boil the bean of your choice in a pressure cooker and use it. Freshly chopped salad, that is cucumber, half a cucumber, tomato, onions very finely chopped. This is boiled potatoes cut into small cubes. Fresh coriander to garnish. This is anar dana or pomegranate powder, very tangy in flavor, so we're gonna use that. 1/4 or half a teaspoon. Salt as per taste. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. 1/4 or very little black pepper. Chaat masala as per your taste, as this also gives tangy flavor. I'm going to use 1/4 a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Little bit of lemon squeeze, a teaspoon of that. And this is date and tamarind chutney. If you like it, you can add it at the top to garnish. This gives also a very nice taste to your chaat. That's it with the ingredients. Next, add in all the veggies you like. I'm adding onions, finely chopped, tomatoes. As you know, tomatoes are very good for health. Cucumber. And I'm also adding boiled potatoes, very little of them, but they give a nice taste with the chickpeas. Give it a mix. And now we're gonna add the spices. It's so simple. For spices, we have salt first. I'm adding half a teaspoon. You can add it as per your taste. Paprika. If you don't get it paprika, you can add very little red chili powder. Very little black pepper, about 1/4 a teaspoon. And this is anar dana or pomegranate seed powder. If you get it, it's very good. If you don't, you can just omit it, no issues. But that gives a nice flavor. Half teaspoon of that, and half teaspoon of chaat masala, which is very easily available at any Asian store. It gives that tangy flavor. And to furthermore give the tangy flavor, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon squeeze. After this, just give it a nice mix with the spices. And one easy tip to actually mix all the spices nicely, just cover it with the lid and shake it. That's it. Let's open and check. See, everything is very well incorporated. Now we just gonna garnish it and we can just serve. I'm going to garnish it with fresh coriander. That's it. This is absolutely ready to be served, but I'm going to add little bit of tinge because I like little bit of yogurt on the top of this salad. If you don't like it, you can simply omit it, no issues. And final step, tamarind sauce or tamarind chutney. You easily get it in Indian stores, Asian stores. And just little dash of tamarind will give that lovely flavor. And you're ready to go. This is how it looks. So easy to prepare, and of course it's very healthy.